Welcome back to the channel. Got a quick video on our ballast bag upgrades, our piggyback ballast on our MasterCraft X55. You can see the ballast bags are down there and down there. They give us a ton more extra weight, helps make a massive wave compared to before. But what we've run into is we always notice this side has the better wake. And part of that's because of the prop and the direction it's turning. But then the other day, my son, who's a lot more smart than I am, said, hey, this one's sitting more forward because of the water reservoir that we never really use. That water reservoir runs this little sink right here, and this boat, X55, has a little potty in there, and there's a sink in there. And we never really use it, and it's a massive, massive tank. So I think what we're gonna do is remove this tank and shift this bag all the way back to match the other one, and maybe not now, but later, we'll get like a, how many gallon?
One.
No, maybe like a 5-gallon tank.
3.
A little skinny 5-gallon tank, if I can find one, to just sit up against the wall. That way, we still have the tank and it's functional if we ever do want to use the sinks. But the ballast bag, the piggyback, is sitting all the way back where it should be, just like the other one. So this is easy to do. That little bracket right there and that bracket right there, all that's holding it, along with these two top hoses. I'm gonna just cut these top hoses with a serrated knife right at the nipple on both sides and just leave them there so that we have them whenever we find a smaller tank to put in. And then this bottom hose is the one that goes to the pump right up here. I already chopped that one. So I've got the screws out of the top of the tank here, the screws out of the floor there, and the screws out of the sidewall up here. So this bracket should come out. That one I can't get to the side screws. We'll just kind of maneuver this tank out of here. Gosh, I hope it comes out of this tiny hole. I don't know if it's gonna be wide enough here. You think it's gonna be wide enough?
There's a wasp in your hoses now.
That's okay. Let the wasp have some fun.
Bro.
All right, let's try to get this out. All right, we got this thing loose. There's still some water in it. Ooh, almost cut myself on that hose clamp. Be careful with those. Oh, okay, it'll fit this direction. All right. Oh, that wasn't too hard. Look at all that extra space. That's awesome. All right, let me put this somewhere. And there we go. We vacuumed up underneath it and slid it back. Now, this thing will have the weight all the way in that corner, and we weren't able to fill this one up all the way ever because it would always hit that right there. So this one we could always fill up completely, and this one it'd be like 70% full. So this will help us a lot on the wake for the port side. All right, we're gonna get back to cleaning this thing up so we can put it back in storage. I hope this was helpful for you guys. If any of you run into the same thing and you need to move your ballast bag, maybe you guys who have an X55, because I think most of the X55s, well, all of them, have the sink and the potty and the sink over there. So if you have an X55 and you want to use your ballast bags to the best of their ability, take that tank, that reservoir out. I'll try to make a follow-up video whenever we do get around to making space for a small tank, if I can find like a nice skinny one to sit across the back. And if we get to that point, I'll make another video for y'all. If you got any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Actually, I did cut myself, and this is a man Band-Aid, electric tape. There you go. And get a Band-Aid on it later. In the meantime, I love you guys. I will see you next time.